Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna fix an issue of the game Rainbow Six Siege, and the issue is that the voice chat of the game Siege is not working. So in this video we will find some ways to fix it. So first of all, check the server status of the game. This will help you to know whether the error is game side issue or it's our fault. You can easily check the server status of the game from the official website of Ubisoft. Just search on the Google for the server status of the game. And also make sure to check the social media handles of Rainbow Six, cause they also update the real-time issues on their social handles. Now if everything looks good, and first of all make sure to update the game. And also make sure to update your audio drivers. Now make sure that your mic is connected properly, and also test your microphone. And for that, go to settings, go to system, go to sound. Now say anything on your microphone, and if this blows up, then it means your microphone is working. If you've done all this, then set up your in-game audio properly. And for that, open the game and go to option. Now go to audio tab, set the master volume to moderate and the voice chat volume to max. And also make sure to set voice chat record mode to open and voice chat record level to 100. Now return to the game and test the voice chat. So these were some ways by which you can fix your issue. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.